says man, it's hard to get when you're stuck in a lair with a big old pair. Me and talk sport, yeah, lives to share, it's all I need. Deepest cheeks, that's beyond compare. Vegetarian to talk sport, vegetarian to talk sport. Thinking is a comfort to me. Thinking of it's my place to roam free. Outside is pushing special to provide. Society never shooting me so I'll hide. 3pm consider owning the blinds. 4pm talk for reports in the drive. 3-hour feast of fiery opinion. That procrastination cleaning the kitchen. Dickie Bird, David Tower. Sound classic on track 0 hour. Fucking 8 crickets, the game's a win. But can't turn on board, I'm living in fear. Fear their tears, you run down my face. I realise I'm lazy, they place their own free. Is that your life-wrecking hindrance to me? Vegetarian to talk sport, to talk sport. Vegetarian to talk sport, to talk sport. On stone late nights, but we're making me seem like talk sport on me. Fucking out duties, too many duties. The soundtrackers ones who got bored on TV. So will you come and join me? Land of hope and glory. We're sporting great, positive stories, oblivious to the point where it all gets boring. Pass the time, life and grind, feeling sick, I'm barely crawling. Stay at home and sack the rate, join the wonderful world in medium way. Cheat the system, don't get caught. Vegetate with me and talk sport. Vegetarian to talk sport. Vegetarian to talk sport. Vegetarian to talk sport.
It's all I did. I work in a bar as well as doing this, so you know everything I do was fucking off for a year and a half. So I vegetated to talk sport. I sort of get something. I tried 6 music for a bit, but I'm kind of bored of it now. Anyway, I've got one more for you, Salty Dog. Thank you for coming tonight. It's been a fucking great occasion. This is what I like to call, to finish with, by a systematic profiling of the detrimental effects that reading too much in this country can have on you. I mean, certain books can be very good for you, but you know, the whole MSM reading thing is very bad for you. Inspired this t-shirt, to be fair. If anyone wants one, I'll see it at the back anyway. This is called The Agenda Bender. This is my last one. And then you better get yourselves ready for Bat Funk and Ewok. It's gonna fucking go off. This is called The Agenda Bender. Don't read too much, it's bad for you. Worse than drinking for me. If the chip on your shoulder weighs a ton and the Lloyd's Bar Lager's your idea of fun, if you grind up on strangers with deep house in your ears and Ed Sheeran tunes with your girlfriend to tears, if the poles down the road got your mind on the run, then you've probably been reading the fucking Sun. Fuck your son! Are you a turgidly Tory, tea-time toffee, twattily tuts at a smoker's cough? If Rule Britannia Bunning scatters your loft next to a family-crested tablecloth? Are you a battler Stalingrad, Bullingdon Mastrad, trophy-ass mom and a trust fund cum dad, fumbling, phony fingerer of faff?
Yes, man.
Then you've probably been reading the Telegraph. Are you a semi-retired Holocaust denier, crucifix, transfix, pitchfork on fire? Fuck that for a mug, get out my shire. Do you abuse your role as a kid's cricket umpire? Are you a type 2 diabetic metabolic mess, bank bursting stream of Eurosceptic cess? Are you a NIMBY snoot watching your neighbour undress?
Watch it.
You've probably been reading the Daily Express. Are you a silicon silly, brain in your willy, gob of a knob Neanderthal? Are you a not joking like plug poking born on fucking tramadol? On goals and gaffs, dapper laughs, met many a brush, rose less daft. You worship the booze, ruse of the booze, but tugs 1 and 2 before your load blew. We're over a fucking sports car.
And you've probably been reading the Daily Star. You were hatefully cursed, Britain first, persecutor of curry verse. If you couldn't adjust to the cultural thrust, when opal fruits became starburst. Reptilian descendant with a scaly tail, are you chiseling your patio trying to find shale? Touching wood up and kids' raps are gonna fail. I'll be able to join in with this one, we've got a pattern going on. You've probably been reading the Daily Mail. You're a politically blank Cortina's fan applying fake tan for Instagram. If you flip between ads for Uncle Ben and catfish and the bottle men. So mentally stiff that you roach a split, then you read a feature on Taylor Swift. Oh, what a time to be alive!
With a fucking
1975, emblazoned on your Top Shot tee. You've probably been reading the NME. Strap yourselves in, now it's going to get more controversial. You a frothy coffee goon, off to visit Bali soon. Crompton City Centre flat, you strung out on a yoga mat. You look down on all the grafting tat, you eat hydrogenated fat and drink beer that's always fucking flat. You a bullshit flinging acrobat in a blissful bubble of Kerouac. Are you comfortable on 40k? Gap year spent on Byron Bay, sanctimonious in every way. Retail therapy every day. Yet still for some reason you choose to ironically spot your grandma's old cardigan.
Tell him.
You've probably been reading The Guardian. Are you a spoon? Not the Northwich Guardian, that's pretty good to be fair. I'm all about local issues. Are you a spoon for the sceptre of good wholesome fun, desperate to appeal to anyone? Cake baking from 8 reruns from late. Are you a wretched reflection of a squalid state? Did the Mental Health Act 83 rule that you're threateningly OCD in a constant crusade to remain PC with a Paxman stuffing every night for your tea? Have you prettily pissed away a licence fee? I know I haven't. It doesn't matter, they're never going to get you. Then you've probably been watching the BBC. Is it ever heavier feeling, stealing your eyelids, onslaught of boredom, flattening your mind for his unequivocally sure? Heard it all before, pointless for all from a self-serving whore. He stands on a stage, pours out his rage, fuck all regard for those who work hard. Splash dwindling cash on a night on the lash. Watch checking process of unearthing a sound with any long odds of regaling a crowd. Has this sprawling scroll got your patience tested? Cardiac Cadillac looking arrested. Could you look any less interested? Not surprised given the time you've invested in this fame-hungry speech from a world-weary leech. Do you spot wits at their end as far as the eye can see? You've probably been listening to fucking me. My name's Patrick C. Davies, thank you for having me. Fucking sit tight for that Duncan Ewok in a bit, thank you. Cheers. Anyone wants one of these or a Conservative can t-shirt, see me at the back. Thank you very much, cheers, see you again.
Make some noise for Patrick T. Davies.